Welcome to DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. DB Sales Company specializes in both Perkins and Yanmar diesel engines. We recognize that identifying the correct build for your Perkins or Yanmar can be quite a hassle, with there being so many applications for each model. When you call knowing your brand, application, and model, that sets us on the right track to getting you the right build. What makes this process even easier is for you to know the build list number when you're looking for a Perkins, or the model and engine number when you're looking for a Yanmar. Our websites have the engine number guides for both Perkins and Yanmar to help you determine your build list or engine number. The link to those is in the description below. On most Perkins engines, you can find the build list number on the silver tag that is found on the block near the injection pump, like you see here. On a Perkins tag, the first set of 2 letters and 5 numbers are your build list number, and the second set of numbers and letters is your serial number. We need the full build list number to get you the correct build and to place your order. As a side note, the serial number can be helpful when ordering individual parts for your Perkins. On most Yanmar engines, you can find the tag with the model and engine number on the valve cover, as you see here. On a Yanmar tag, the model number is at the top and includes the build list at the end of it. The engine number is listed at the bottom. We need both the full model number, including the build list, and the engine number to ensure you get the correct engine and to place your order. Once we determine the correct build for you and you place your order with us, we then order your engine directly to you from Perkins or Yanmar. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.